Good morning. Mahaganathipataye. Good morning to all. Good morning. Good morning, Chaitra Shivani, Chaitra Kaumudi. Happy Diwali. అందరూ crackers కొనుక్కున్నారా? Abdeli. Good morning. Yesterday you were not there in the class. Yesterday we discussed about arithmetic progression. Good morning, Ajista. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, Abdeli. క్రాకర్స్ కొనుక్కున్నారు అందరూ. మార్నింగ్ చక్కగా కొత్త బట్టలు వేసుకోండి. ఈవినింగ్ చక్కగా లక్ష్మీ పూజ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కాటన్ క్లాత్ కట్టుకోవాలి. కాటన్ క్లాత్స్ కొనుక్కోవాలి. షూ వేసుకోవాలి. చెవిలో దూదులు పెట్టుకోవాలి. కాటన్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. చెవిలో దూది పెట్టుకోవాలి. టపాకాయలు కాల్చేటప్పుడు చెవిలో దూది పెట్టుకోవాలి. కంపల్సరీగా బడ్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. చెవిలో సౌండ్ వెళ్ళలేం కదా. ఓకేనా? మాస్క్ పెట్టి కాల్చొద్దు. మాస్క్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు. మాస్క్ పెట్టుకోకూడదు నాన్న. నా ఉద్దేశం. ఒరిజినల్గా అయితే నాకు తెలీదు. కొంతమంది అయితే తడి మాస్క్ పెట్టుకొని అంటున్నారు. వెట్ మాస్క్. some of saying like that. I don't know. ఎంతసేపు కలుస్తాం? మహా అయితే 1 hour కలుస్తాం. సో హ్యాపీ దివాలి అండ్ safe Diwali. Good morning, Meghana. Good morning, Munisha. Good morning, Hamsini. Good morning, Sampath. Good morning. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Thank you. నాకే దివాళీలో క్రాకర్స్ కాల్చడం మంచిది కాదని తెలిసినా నాకు ఎందుకో ఇష్టం. దివాళీ చాలా ఇష్టం నాకు. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా క్రాకర్స్ కాల్చడం మంచిది కాదు, కానీ ఇట్స్ హార్మ్ టు ద నేచర్. కానీ ఎందుకో చాలా ఇష్టం. సంవత్సరం మొత్తం మీద ఒక్క రోజు కదా, బాగా ఇష్టం. నరక చతుర్దశి వాళ్ళ పొద్దు నరక చతుర్దశి కదా, చక్కగా తలస్నానం చేసి దానికంటే ముందు టపాకాయలు కాల్చమనేది మా అమ్మమ్మ. మాకు తలకి నూనె పెట్టేవారు. తలకి ఒంటికి అంతా నువ్వులు ఉండి రాసేవారు. రాసి ఎండలో కాసేపు కూర్చోమనేవారు. ఎండలో కూర్చొని టపాకాయలు ఇచ్చేవారు. టపాకాయలు కాల్చమనేవారు. ఓకే, టపాకాయలు కాల్చిన తర్వాత తలస్నానం చేసిన తర్వాత హైకోర్టు నుంచి సాయంత్రం దాకా గన్నులో ఉండేవి. టపా 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 కాల్చుకుంటూ గన్నులో తిరిగేవాళ్ళం రోడ్ల పడి. చాలా ఇష్టం దీపావళి. లైక్ వెరీ మచ్. ఇప్పటికి కూడా ఈవెన్ దో ఐ యామ్ ఎ టీచర్, ఐ నో దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హార్మ్ టు ద నేచర్. ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ ఇట్. చిన్నప్పుడైతే టపాకాయలు తయారు చేసుకునేవాడిని నేను. చిచ్చుగుడ్లు, మతాబులు, సిసింద్రీలు, చోవలు ఇవన్నీ తయారు చేసుకునేవాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఊపి లేదు, అంటే కొనుక్కొచ్చుకుని చేసాం. నా పిల్లలు కూడా మా అబ్బాయికి కొద్దిగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు కానీ మా అమ్మాయికి చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఈజ్ వెరీ మచ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఓకే, happy Diwali to all. Once again, let us start our class. Today I told you to I'll explain applications of trigonometry. నాకు పెద్దగా స్వీట్స్ అంటే నచ్చవు కానీ ఆట ఎక్కువ ఇష్టం. స్వీట్స్లో బాగా ఇష్టం ఏంటంటే అది ఏముంటుంది ఏంటది పేరు కూడా తెలియదు, మర్చిపోయాను. గులాబ్ జామున్ ఒకటి ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా తింటాను. గులాబ్ జామున్ అంటే హల్వా. ఎస్, హల్వా చాలా ఇష్టం. షుగర్ వచ్చిందిగా ఇక హల్వా లేదు, బల్వా లేదు. రైట్, ఈ షుగర్ అనేది వచ్చింది కదా బాడీలో. రైట్, సో అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ. దీనిని till now we didn't discuss about this one. Applications of trigonometry లో రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మెయిన్ గా. ఒకటి యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్, యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రెషన్. వాట్ ఈజ్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్? సపోజ్ this is the line of sight, for example. Initially, if an object is flying above the line of sight, then if we want to see the object, we need to rotate our head upwards. Then this is the line of sight finally to see the object. So we can observe an angle between the line of sight initially and finally. We can observe an angle between the line of sight, initial line of sight, and after seeing the object, we can observe an angle. Let it be theta. It is called angle of elevation. If the object is flying above the line of sight, then the angle between the initial line of sight and final line of sight is known as angle of elevation. Generally గా మనకంటే పైన ఎగిరే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ చూస్తుంటాం కదా. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ తేజ, నాట్ తేజ, మనోజ్. So we'll observe birds, kite, aeroplanes, and even balloons. All these objects are flying above the line of sight, initial line of sight generally. So in order to see them, we need to rotate our head upwards. So the angle between the initial line of sight and the final line of sight is known as angle of elevation. But angle of depression and ఏమిటి? Is initial line of sight. If the object is below the line of sight, okay, below the line of sight అంటే మనం మేడనేల నుంచుని కిందకి చూడటం, ఎత్తైన ప్రదేశంలో నుంచుని, standing in a high place and observing the objects which are moving on the ground. So the angle between the initial line of sight and the final line of sight then formed is called as angle of depression. So these are the two main concepts which are used to solve the problems in applications of trigonometry: angle of elevation and angle of depression. Apart from that, we need to know about all the trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. We should know about these also. So wherever necessary, we need to use these ratios. Okay, sin theta, side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. cos theta, side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta, side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. And their reciprocals. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta, secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, and vice versa. So first three, last three are the reciprocals of first three ratios. Okay, children. Now I am starting the first problem for today. First problem. The length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 85 meters. Listen to me carefully. The length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 85 meters. If the string making an angle theta with the ground such that tan theta is 15 by 8, find the height of the kite from the ground. Okay, now see, there is a kite over here. Okay, and there is a point A on the ground. A string was attached to the kite. Okay, and the length of the string is given as 85 meters. And we need to find out this vertical height. We need to find out this vertical height. Okay. And the string is making an angle theta with the ground. The string is making an angle theta with the ground. Okay. Tan theta is given as 15 by 8. 15 by 8. And we need to find out the vertical height of the kite from the ground. Vertical height of the kite from the ground. Okay, now we know that, let it be x. H square plus x square is equal to 85 square. H square plus x square is 85 square. Tan theta is given as 15 by 8. 15 by 8. So tan theta is the side opposite to theta, that is AC, BC by AB is given as 15 by 8. So let BC is 15A, AB is 18A, 8A. Okay, now BC 15A, side opposite to theta, BC 15A, because ratio is given, na? You cannot take BC as 15 meters. Tan theta is given as 15 by 8. So BC you can take it as 15A, and AB you can take it as 8A. Now substitute these values here. 15A whole square plus 8A whole square is equal to 85 square. Is equal to 85 square. You can see the so 225A square plus 64A square is equal to 7225. So this one 289A square is equal to 7225. A square is equal to 7225 by 289. A is 85 by 17. A is 85 by 17, which is 5. A is 5. That means height is 5A na, so 5 into 15A, 15 into 5, 75 meters. The vertical height of the kite is 75 meters. Or you can do this one in another way. I think this is, we don't know height and base na, and tan theta is given as BC by AB, which is 15 by 8. This is one method. I will explain another method also. See here, this is 15x, this is 8x, and hypotenuse is, because tan theta is given 15 by 8. Okay na? So 15 square, 15x whole square plus 8x whole square, which is 289x square, which is 17x. That means 85 is equal to 17x, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5. Then height of the kite is 15, 5s are 70. In that way also you can do it. 15x square plus 8x square. You can apply sin theta is equal to side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. So 15 by 17 into 85. 17 5s are 15 5s are 75 meters. Like that also you can do your wish. Okay na? So good question. So the vertical height of the kite is 75 meters. Next one. A 15 meter, 1.5 meters tall girl stand at a distance of 3 meters from a lamp post. This is the lamp post and this is a 1.5 meters tall girl, and the distance between the girl and the lamp post is 3 meters. Okay. And cast a shadow of 4.5 meters. This is the girl's shadow. Girl's shadow 4.5 meters. If we join the tips, tip of the lamp post and head of the girl to the ground, to a point on the ground, we can observe the figure like this. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. You can observe two right angle triangles over here. Let this angle be theta. This angle be theta. So what is asking to find? Find the height of the lamp post. This one. You need to find out the height of the lamp post. A 1.5 meters tall girl standing at a distance of 3 meters from a lamp post, cast a shadow of 4.5 meters. 4.5 meters from, okay na? And you need to find out the height of the lamp post. This is the question. Let the angle DAC is theta. Trigonometry apply cheyali kada, angle DAC theta. Okay na? So from triangle EAB. Triangle EAB lo what is tan theta? In triangle EAB, what is tan theta, children? In triangle EAB, I am not asking Darshakudi, I am not asking answers, I am asking a question to you. In triangle EAB, what is tan theta? That is the question. In triangle EAB, what is tan theta? Theta is the angle between 1.5 by 4.5, which is 1 by 3. 1.5 by 4.5, which is 1 by 3. Okay, na? Now, in triangle ADC, what is tan theta? In triangle ADC, what is tan theta? Triangle ADC, what is tan theta? H by 7.5. Very good. H by 7.5. Now, see, angle is not changing here. Same angle of elevation in two different triangles. Angle of elevation is not changing. So, we can equate the ratios. H by 7.5 is equal to 1 by 3. H by 7.5 is equal to 1 by 3. Then H is equal to, find out what is H then. What is H then? $7.5. In triangle AEB, tan theta is 1.5 by 4.5, which is 1 by 3. In triangle ADC, tan theta is H by 7.5. So H by 7.5 is equal to 1 by 3. Why we have to equate both? Because the angle is not changing. It is not a different, same theta for both the triangles. Angle is same, elevation is same. So 7.5 by 3, which is 2.5. So height of the lamp post is 2.5 meters. That's how much you say? 22.5. It's a 2.5. So what is the key point in this problem? What is the key point that you have observed to solve this problem, children? Anyone? What is the key point that you observed in solving this problem? Tan theta. Tan ratio. Tan theta doesn't changes if the theta is not changing. Okay, now even though if you take, suppose a big hill is there. A big hill. F let it be. Okay, now which is at a distance of 500 meters from the lamp post. 500 meters from the lamp post. Find the height of the hill, not hill, maybe let it be a multi-storied building. There is a multi-storied building which is 500 meters away from the lamp post. Okay, find the height of the multi-storied building, children. There is a multi-storied building FG which is 500 meters away from the lamp post. find the height of the multi-storied building. Same, we need to use this angle only, tan theta. Tan theta is h by 500. But we know tan theta is 1 by 3. Then h by 500 is equal to 1 by 3. Then h is equal to 500 by 3 meters. 500 by 3 meters. So which is 169.1. How much it is? Five not 7. H by 507.5. What is that? 500 by 3 meters. How much it is? 507.5. Why? No, 1 by 3 is equal to h by right. Good. Now get one. Correct. Good. Right. 507.5. Correct error. 507.5. Right. Sorry, sir. Yeah, some of you are saying 166.6 and some of you are saying 169.1. Which is right? 169.5. 1. Right. Next question. You can apply similarity concept also in solving this problem. So next question. Listen to me carefully. A shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation of sun is 45 degrees is found to be 40 meters. 40 meters longer than the angle of elevation 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Excellent question. There is a tower. Okay. Of height h meters. Okay. When sun's altitude is 60 degrees, the tower casts a shadow of x meters. The tower casts a shadow of x meters. Okay, na? When sun's altitude is 60 degrees. Now, when sun's altitude is 45 degrees, the tower casts a shadow whose length is 40 meters more than the shadow cast by tower when its elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, na? When the sun's altitude, when our sun's elevation, your elevation is 45 degrees, the length of the shadow cast by the same tower is 40 meters more than the length of the shadow cast by the same tower when its elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, na? That means this one 40 plus x, this total 40 plus x and 40. Okay children, so what we have to do, we need to find out the height of the tower. We need to find out height of the tower. So do it fast. Name the triangle A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What is AB? AB is a tower. C and D are points of observation. What is 60 degrees? Angle of elevation of top of the tower. 60 degrees. Angle ADB is angle of elevation of top of the tower at from D. And what we have to find out? Height of the tower. So what is height of the tower, children? Twenty-four. Today. Tan 45 h by 40 plus x. So h is equal to 40 plus x. So height of the tower is 40 plus x. Is the problem done? Here. Height of the tower వచ్చింది కదా 40 plus x. అయిపోయినట్టేనా ప్రాబ్లం? Is the problem done? We need to find x, right? Do it fast. Tan 60 h by x. Root 3 is equal to h by x. H is x root 3. అదేంటి? ఇంకొక వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. We got another value for h. We got another value for h. How to do it? X is equal to h by root 3. Yeah. So we need to equate to get x. Is that right? We need to equate to get x. Do it. X root 3 is equal to 40 plus x. X root 3 is equal to 40 plus x. X root 3 minus x is equal to 40. Take x common. Find out x. Find out x. H I got 40 by root 3 minus 1. Is it necessary to do the rationalization? Rationalization చేయాలా? So what will get after rationalization? into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 40 times of root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 20 times of root 3 plus 1. So x is 20 times of root 3 plus 1. Now h is equal to 40 plus 20 times of root 3 plus 1. 20 root 3 plus 20. So total is 60 plus 20 root 3. 60 plus 20 root 3. Take root 3 value 1.732 children. Take root 3 value 1.732. Then what is the height of the tower? $94.64. Correct ga answer చూసి చెప్తున్నా Abraham 94.64. So everyone is sitting with us, everyone is right. Next question. Next question. Yeah. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees, and the top of the flagstaff on the top of the tower is 60 degrees. If the length of the flagstaff is 5 meters, find the height of the tower. See here, there is a tower. And the AB is the flagstaff, which is kept on the top of the tower, and the height of AB is 5 meters. Okay, this elevation is 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. We need to find out height of the tower. Sorry, not 45, 30. It is 30 degrees. Okay. AB is the flagstaff of a height 5 meters, which is arranged on the top of a building. We don't know height of the building, we need to find out it. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the building is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff is 60 degrees. We need to find out height of the building. Do it fast. AB is flagstaff. AB is flagstaff of height 5 meters. Angle of elevation of top of the building from a point P on the ground is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation of top of the flagstaff from the same point is 60 degrees. Let it be PC only. What is tan 60? What is tan 60? H plus phi by PC. H plus phi by PC. Opposite to 60 degrees by hypotenuse by adjacent to 60 degrees. And what is tan 30? H by PC. H by PC. You need to describe about the figure also in the exam. Drawing the figure correctly, you are going to get 1 mark. And description about the figure is 1 mark. Description about the figure is 1 mark, children. Don't forget that. Root 3 is h plus phi by PC. PC is equal to h plus phi by root 3 from the first one. Second one 1 by root 3. Here. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by PC. PC is equal to h root 3. Here PC what we got? H plus phi by root 3. And here PC what we got? H root 3. So what we can do? H plus phi by root 3 is equal to h root 3. So h plus phi is equal to 3h. 2h is equal to 5. H is equal to 5 by 2, which is 2.5 meters. Which is 2.5 meters. So on a 2 on a 2.5 height building, a 5 meters height flagstaff is arranged. Who left from the class? Sampath Gaur, Akhil, Arya. 3 students left from the class. चैत्र कौमुदी, चैत्र शिवानी, who left from the class? Abdel is there, he is not answering since long time. Abdel is not answering. I will do one thing, from tomorrow onwards I will take the attendance here only. Yes, good boy. Next question. Okay. Today's last question, children, because I want to leave you a little bit early today because of Diwali. Last question today. The angle of elevation of top of a hill at the foot of a tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression from the foot of the tower, angle of depression from the foot of the tower to the foot of the hill The angle of elevation of top of a hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of foot of the hill from the top of the tower is 30 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the hill. This is the question. See here, there is a hill and there is a tower. Okay, height of the tower is 50 meters. Height of the tower is 50 meters. So from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the hill is 60 degrees. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of top of the hill is 60 degrees. And from the top of the tower, the angle of depression of foot of the hill is 30 degrees. From the top of the tower, the angle of depression of foot of the hill is 30 degrees. And we need to find out height of the hill. Okay na? So this line of sight, together if we see, this figure is nothing but a rectangle, because this angle is 90, this is 90, and we know line of sight is always parallel to the base. So this is 90, this is 90. We can observe a rectangle over here. This is a rectangle. A, B, C, D. We can say that it is a rectangle. Okay na? Because the tower and the foot, the tower and the hill, we can consider it as perpendicular to the base, and line of sight is always parallel to the base. So we can observe a rectangle over here. ABCD is a rectangle, and this angle is 30 degrees. Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. Since ABCD is a rectangle, we can say BC is also 50 meters. BC is also 50 meters. And we need to find out PC. We need to find out PC. Okay. PB, sorry. PB. In that we know BC. If we know PC, the problem is done. Or directly we can find out PB also. Okay. Now, observe triangle DAB. Observe triangle DAB. AD is given 50 meters. AD is given 50 meters. So from that, tan 30 is equal to AD by AB. Tan 30 is equal to AD by AB. Okay. So tan 30 we know it is 1 by root 3. AD given 50, AB we don't know. Do cross multiply, we will get AB as 50 root 3 meters. 50 root 3 meters. Now, if we observe triangle DAB and triangle PAB, both are having a common base. Triangle DAB, triangle PAB, both are having common base AB. So, and AB we got 50 root 3 meters. So, directly we can find out the value of PB. Directly, height of the hill. So, tell me children, what is the height of the hill? Yashwant is more faster than Sanvi. Manoj, Goddepalli, and even Darshipudi. Darshipudi left from the class. He is not giving answers. Directly you can find out PB Ajista. Tan 60 degrees. PB by AB. PB by AB. Root 3. PB by AB is given 50 root 3. So then PB is equal to 50 root 3 into root 3. How much? 50 root 3 into root 3, how much? $150. 50 root 3 into root 3 is 150 meters. No need to find out PC. No need to find out PC. $150 meters. So the height of the building and not building, hill. Height of the hill is 150 meters. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again we'll meet at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock sharp to continue this applications of trigonometry. There are 3 or 4 different models are there. We'll discuss that one. Okay. Thank you very much. Happy Diwali and safe Diwali to everyone. క్రాకర్స్ కాల్ చేసేటప్పుడు కొంచెం ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. క్రాకర్స్ కాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత స్వీట్స్ తినండి. స్వీట్స్ ఎందుకు తినాలంటే ఈ పొగ అంతా కడుపులోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. సో స్వీట్స్ తింటే అది అక్కడ కాంపన్సేట్ అవుతుంది. స్వీట్సే తినాలి, హాట్స్ తినమాట. స్వీట్సే తినాలి. పొగ పీలుస్తాం కదా, స్వీట్సే తినాలి. ఓకే, bye. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Thank you. Happy Diwali.